Hey guys, Chris with Systainer USA. Today I want to address a question we get sometimes. What is the difference between a runner, which is what this here is called, and a rail? Well, if you look on our website, you'll notice that the rails are sold in a 4-pack and the runners are sold individually. The runner is actually not a Systainer product. This is a bott product, the bott shelving system. It is really designed to be utilized in this scenario. We have drawers in the bott system. We have wire baskets as well. They all use the same runner principle. And so from a functionality standpoint, they both do the same thing. They both allow you to move Systainers in and out using the groove integrated into the Systainer. The biggest difference is this is designed for being built into a cabinet. So imagine you build a plywood cabinet and you want something to allow you to do this inside a cabinet. That's what the rail is for. The runner could technically do it as well. You could mount this inside of a cabinet. It's just not designed for that. You'll notice here we have holes, but they're mostly in the front because of how the bott system is designed. This is more beefy, a little more heavy duty for a mobile environment that has to survive a crash, whereas this is meant for a static environment such as your workshop and a cabinet. And you'll also notice there's a little play in here, so we locate our first hole and we've got a little forgiveness. That's really the key difference. Hope that answers your question. Thanks for watching. Head on over to Systainer.store to learn more and check it out.